At Integrity Builders and Supply, we're more than just a construction company. From controllers, fans, feedline supplies, curtains, gating, and everything in between, Integrity is your trusted livestock parts warehouse, specializing in the pork industry. Some of the national and worldwide well-known brands Integrity has to offer are
Short-Time,
LB White,
The AJ O'Mara Group,
Thorpe Equipment,
Dosatron,
Cummins,
PigTech,
Edstrom,
AP,
EIP Manufacturing,
Maximum Ag Technologies,
Multi-Fan,
Munters,
EPS, Engineered Building Packages.
If you have any questions about livestock and pork industry parts and supplies, the Integrity team is available via our website or by calling at 319-752-9001. If you are interested in quick tips on your hog buildings, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to our Integrity Builders and Supply YouTube channel. Integrity Builders and Supply, where we deal with new construction, hog building remodeling, service, and parts, which are available for pickup or shipping straight to your farm.